Welcome back to Lex V Designs. Today we're going to be unboxing this overlocking sewing machine, popularly known as the weaving machine. So my people, I'm so glad to have you people back again to this my channel. Okay, today we're going to just be unboxing this overlocking machine. Some people call it the weaving machine. Some people even call it the local machine, the local weaving machine, because it's used to weave the inner part of a dress or any clothing that you just want it to have a nice finishing. So you can use this machine to just easily make it look neater. In fact, a dress once it's not even weaved, it's not nice. So this machine has the manual part and it has the electronic part. It means that without light you can still pedal on it, but me, I prefer to use the electronic part. Some people can still, some people, in fact, some people use it just as a manual machine. They just fix it to a pedal like a normal manual machine, but I just prefer to have it in the electronic so that I can easily plug it in and I'll just use it. So these are the various parts of the machine. It came with a maset tool that came with things like this that you're seeing here. It came with an extra tape and all this. So these are just basically everything in this overlocking machine. As you can see, this is a very simple machine to use. Now it also came with a sample piece. Look at it. This one has red ropes around. This to show you what and how the machine sews. Okay, and this is almost everything about the machine. I'm just going to show you where I plug it in, or where to plug it in rather. So while I'm at this, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you're not doing well. Why not subscribe and tap on your notification bell so I'll be notified every time I upload a video. So this machine came with this table you're seeing here and also this pedal. Now look at where I plug it in. I'm just going to be doing this with one hand, so just pardon anyhow I fix it. So I'm just going to be fixing this inside, and all I do is to plug the other ends to the socket and it sews. I'll be making a video on how to set up everything and fix it up. So let's just stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.